Okay, so for this problem, remember this fact right here. That's a big one. And it turns out that this is equivalent to saying stuff like sine of, like if it was 4x here, if that was over 4x, that would also equal 1. Okay? So let's look at A. A is not quite in the right form because it's 2x on top but x on the bottom. So in order to fix this one, A, what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply 2x over x by 2 over 2. So then what I get is limit as x goes to 0 of 2 sine 2x all over 2x. And now this part is in the form that I like, so this part right here turns into 1. So really what I'm left with is 2 times 1, which is just 2. Okay, so let's look at B. Let's look at B. B says limit as x goes to 0 of sine x on top, and the bottom you can factor. I'm going to take out an x, and I get 2x minus 1 on the bottom. Well, if you look at this, there's the sine x over x. That turns into 1. So really all I'm left with here is the limit as x goes to 0 of 1 over 2x minus 1. And at this point, I can plug in the 0. So I get 1 over 2 times 0 minus 1, which is 1 over negative 1, negative 1. Right? Okay. The last one here is sine squared over x. So let's look at that. C. Limit as x goes to 0 of sine. Actually, I'm going to write it like this. Sine x over x. Well, if I just pull out this part right there, this part right here goes to 1, and then I'm left with the sine x. So this is going to be limit as x goes to 0 of 1 times sine x. Well, I can plug in 0 into that, so this is 1 times sine of 0, which is 1 times 0, which is 0. Okay, hope that helps.